Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will going to talk about glucoberry review. You will find out the working, ingredient list, benefits and even the side effects of using the MD processed glucoberry supplement. So pay close attention to what I say in this glucoberry review video. So first, talking about what is glucoberry. Glucoberry is the result of extensive research by professionals at Johns Hopkins University. These experts discovered a relationship between healthy blood sugar levels, insulin, and blood sugar drainage from the kidneys. Based on this research, Dr. Mark Weiss, a renowned physician, devised a natural dietary supplement to help achieve healthy blood sugar levels. Glucoberry contains extract used for decades that come from the natural fruits and herbs known to support blood sugar levels. Glucoberry can regulate the blood sugar and solve the blood sugar problems. Now talking about how does this glucoberry formula works. He carefully researched the natural fruits and herbs that dissolve the sticky gray mucus protein and enhance the filtering power of the blood glucose drainage. These natural ingredients support the removal of the blood sugar within the excess. As a result, your body can eliminate the extra sugar and worry. Now, let's see what are the benefits of using of glucoberry supplement. It supports the insulin production. It removes the blood sugar spike after carb-rich food, reduces the sugar cravings. It is more energy throughout the day. It provides effective blood glucose regulation. It boosts kidney health and it gives freedom to eat tasty food. Keep in mind that if you want to get the best results that other consumers are having, you will have to be committed, because if you don't take the treatment seriously and do it every day, then it doesn't work for you, because since it is a natural supplement, it is recommended to take about 3 to 4 weeks in order to start seeing the results of the glucoberry supplement. Now, after that, I am going to talk about some important alert, so pay close attention. This supplement is available for sale only on its official website, so make sure that you purchase the original supplement of glucoberry. I have left the link in the description box below to help you out, so you can click over there and you can check the official website. Now let's see how to use this glucoberry blood sugar support formula. Glucoberry comes in a capsule form. Each bottle covers 30 days supply, and the correct form to use this product is simple. Just swallow one capsule with food every day. It is recommended that you take it in the morning to help you enjoy the positive effects throughout the day. Glucoberry comes in different size packages of 1, 3 and 6 months with the product discounts and free delivery offers. I will personally recommend you to complete the full treatment of 6 months so that you can ensure you get the best results. Glucoberry is sold exclusively on the official website. Glucoberry has 180 days money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with the product within 180 days, you can just simply ask for a refund and they will return all your money back. So as a customer, you have a peace of mind. You don't need to worry about your money, because you will not going to lose your money in this deal. All is your benefit. So take advantage of this deal and order your kit today. And if you still have doubts or any queries regarding this, you can just comment down below and I will solve your queries.